Hey everyone, I'm Chris Woodland, respiratory therapist and director of respiratory for Southmedic. Thanks for watching this video on how to use our new procedural mask, Oxy₂Pro. We realized at Southmedic that procedural sedation requires an intentional solution that provides clinicians with elevated oxygen delivery capability, superior EtCO₂ capture, and an unobstructed large window for oral scoping, all in an easy-to-use, out-of-the-bag solution. Let's talk about how Oxy₂Pro delivers oxygen. Oxy₂Pro utilizes the power of our Oxy₂ technology, which centers on the triangular diffuser inside the mask. Oxygen comes up the tubing, bends at 90 degrees at the elbow, and enters the diffuser. Then the oxygen molecules hit the inside of the curved diffuser plate and start to spin on their own axis in an organized cluster of oxygen. We call these oxygen clusters velocity vortices. This concentrated cloud of oxygen now has 4 ports to exit out of the diffuser, 2 directed to the nose and 2 pointed to the mouth. This intentionally formed cloud of concentrated oxygen pours out of these ports, directed toward the nose and mouth, exactly where it needs to go, allowing Oxy₂Pro to deliver up to an incredible 95% FiO₂ at 15 liters per minute. Having that kind of oxygen ceiling allows flexibility in your response to changes in your patient's condition in the middle of a procedure, keeping the patient safe and making sure procedures get done to allow patients to move into treatment pathways efficiently. One thing to remember, because Oxy₂Pro is a closed mask, the minimum flow needed is 5 liters per minute. Designed for your most at-risk patients or for longer, more complicated procedural sedations, Oxy₂Pro is the better procedural mask for you to choose. Better and elevated FiO₂ capability, an improved means of capturing end-tidal CO2 samples even at higher oxygen flow rates, a larger oral scope window that's more flexible and offers clean line of sight, all in an easy-to-use, no assembly required package. Because that's what we believe at Southmedic. We believe in finding a better way for you and your patients. Thanks for watching, and learn more about Oxy₂Pro at thebetteroxygenmask.com. See you next time.